If you want your ElevenLabs voiceovers to sound more natural, more expressive, and way less robotic, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'm going to show you how to emphasize words in ElevenLabs for natural and realistic voice using simple text formatting, audio tags, and a couple of key slider settings. This is one of the easiest ways to make your AI voice sound more human. And it works especially well for narration, ads, shorts, tutorials, and storytelling. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about text formatting, because this works across all ElevenLabs models. One of the simplest ways to force stress on a word is to use all caps. For example, if you want the voice to really hit a word, you can write it in capital letters. Just don't overuse this, because too many capitalized words can make the voice sound unnatural. Another useful trick is putting a word in quotation marks. This can add a bit of rhythmic emphasis and help the model lean into that phrase more naturally. It's a small change, but in many cases it improves the delivery without making the voice sound too aggressive. You can also use spaced periods like ... to create dramatic pauses. This is especially useful when you want suspense, hesitation, or a more cinematic tone. A pause before an important word can make the delivery sound much more deliberate and realistic. And if you want to slow down individual words, try hyphenating them. Breaking a word into parts can nudge the model into pronouncing it more carefully. This can help with emphasis, pacing, or making certain phrases feel more intentional. Now let's move to audio tags, which are available in ElevenLabs v3 only. These give you even more control over vocal delivery. For example, you can use emphasis tags to add stress to a clause or key part of a sentence. This is useful when you want the voice to highlight an idea instead of reading everything with the same level of energy. You can also add emotional tags like excited, whispers, or sighs to shift the tone of the performance. These tags help you shape the mood of the voice so it sounds more expressive and less flat. If your script needs energy, suspense, or a softer delivery, these tags can make a big difference. For pauses, you can use a break tag with a time value, like 1 second, to insert precise silence exactly where you want it. This is great when you need clean timing, dramatic pacing, or a natural pause between thoughts. Next, let's look at the slider settings, because these matter just as much as the text itself. For stability, a good starting range is around 30 to 40%. Lower stability usually gives you more expression and more variation in the voice, which can make your emphasis sound more natural. If you push it too low though, the voice may become less consistent. For style exaggeration, try setting it slightly higher if you want the emphasis to stand out more. This can help the voice sound more dynamic and emotionally detailed. Just like with stability, it's best to test a few versions so you can find the balance that works for your script. The key here is to combine all three methods. Use formatting for simple emphasis, use audio tags for stronger emotional control in V3, and adjust your sliders so the voice has the right amount of expression. That combination is what helps ElevenLabs sound natural and realistic instead of flat or overdone. So if you're creating voiceovers, test these techniques on a few lines, listen back, and tweak them until the delivery feels right. Small changes can completely transform how the final voice sounds. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more ElevenLabs and AI voice tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.